Hello everyone, welcome to the Adorable Garden Room at the Ponderosa. I have 3 great projects to show you today, and I couldn't wait until Patchwork Party to do it. When is Patchwork Party, you say? What is Patchwork Party? Patchwork Party meets on the second Monday of every month, and we used to do it in the store, and now we are doing it live on Facebook. If you don't do Facebook, and we understand that if you don't, that's okay, because once we do it live on Facebook, we then put it onto our YouTube channel so that you can see it anytime you want. So to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook, and you'll see everything all the time. So today I have, like I said, 3 projects that I want to show you. The first are these pillowcase kits. These are great for the kids and for the grandkids because they come with, each kit comes with a pillowcase panel that the kids can color in themselves. So there are 4 different ones. The first one that I'm showing you is the building one. It has trucks and cranes and tools and all kinds of things. So the kit will come with your panel, instructions on how to sew it together, and the permanent markers for the kids to color them with. So the kids color the panels, you sew them together, and off you go. Washing is very simple. You just wash it in cold water, just regular water. I found that they don't fade, they don't bleed. These are really good permanent markers. So just throw them in the wash, and it says to wash them in cold water and to line dry them. But I have washed these in hot water and just thrown them in the wash at whatever temperature. And I have thrown them in the dryer, and they have been just fine. So, because you don't want to, these are for kids. You don't want to be fussing with line drying and washing in cold water. So I tested it out, and they wash up just fine. So one of the kits is the building set. Then there is a NASA. So all kinds of space stuff. And each marker set is different. So this is the one for the building, and you can tell that the colors are different for NASA than they are for building. So, and they are all permanent markers. So that's the NASA and space. Then there's a jungle theme with huts and jungle animals and tents and all kinds of things. And then this is the marker set for that. And then the last one is the Wiggles. I don't know who the Wiggles are, but I don't have grandkids or kids. So all the girls at the store who have grandkids said they know who the Wiggles are. So here's a Wiggle set, and these are the markers for that. And the kids can color them in. You pop them together, and off you go. What a fun thing to do with the kids on Grandma and Grandpa Day. So that's my story on that. I'm going to set these up front. I don't think they'll get in the way of what we're doing. Last month at Patchwork Party, I showed you this cute little boo pillow, and this is the pattern that comes with the boo kits. So we sold this as a kit, and you bought the pattern separately because some people bought multiple kits to sew for people. And this is the pattern. So you can see that there are like 6 different pillow patterns. This was the first one I did. Now I have finished and done this another one. I did the little spider web, and you can kind of, I'm just going to grab one pattern, the front of the pattern. Here you go. So you can see that I kind of kicked it up a notch because I kind of wanted it to blend a little bit with the boo pillow, and I thought it needed just a little more pizzazz. So I added the orange rickrack with little black beads. So your kit, when you purchase a kit, will come with the background fabric, the felt to do the hearts and the spiders, along with the rickrack and the little beads. So I just added the rickrack before I sewed on my polka dot border. And then your kit will also come with the backing, which is the little cute orange with the little spider on. So cute, cute, cute as can be. So I hope you add to your collection, because I know a lot of you girls bought the Boo pillow. So now you can add the little spider web. And the one that I am working on right now, and I'm going to put this on the back of this so you can kind of see it a little bit better, is the Happy Halloween. So I have been working on hand stitching the Happy Halloween onto this fabric. So you will receive in this, well, I can't tell you what you're going to receive in this kit because I'm not done yet, and I'm going to add some special things just like I did on the other one. So I can tell you that there's going to be some beads, there's going to be some ribbon, you'll have the front, the border, and the back on this. So this takes about, for me, it took 2 nights to embroider. So of course I'm not quite done, but I started it last night. So I'm sure that I will finish embroidering it up tonight, and I did this all by hand. We used our Cosmo thread, and what I will do is put on our website a little kit of the Cosmo threads that I used. So you can purchase the thread for just the pillow, and if you have lots of embroidery threads, these are the 6-strand GMC type embroidery threads that I used on this. We carry Cosmo at the store, so I use the Cosmo threads. So if you have lots of threads, you can just buy the pillow kit and use your own threads. Otherwise, you can buy the pillow kit as well as the thread kit to go along with it. And that will be on the Creating with Karen portion of our website. And they will be on sale for 20% off for about a week. So these little kits will be on sale along with the patterns, along with the pillowcase kits. Those will also be on the Creating with Karen section of the website for a week on sale for 20% off. So go on there and make sure that you get those. There will be a coupon code probably that we will use. There will definitely be a coupon code that we will use, and it will be KWK20. So you will want to use that coupon code when you check out to get 20% off of these items, as well as the bare root pillow kits and embroidery thread kits. So you'll want to use your KWK20 to get your sale price. So those are two projects to show you. Now my last one just came in, and it is so cute. And it's one of those things that, you know me, I looked at it and I went, why did they put it together this way? But let me show it to you, and then we'll talk about it a little bit, and I will tell you about the class that we're going to have. Yes, we're going to have a class. So this is a kit, and all of the fabrics for the project are in this beautiful box. And it has kind of a magnetic Class B opening. It's so cute. What does this look like? I know you want to see it. This is the kit on the back here. This is a picture of the project, not the fabric that it's being used with, but this is a picture of what the project looks like when it's finished, only using different fabrics. So let me unbox this. You know what? I think we'll get the pillowcase kits out of the way so that you can just see the fabrics, because they are so cute and so fun. I cannot wait to dig into this and get started, but I had to show it to you first before I could dig into the kit and start cutting. So let me show you. I'm gonna move this out of the way, except I need my little notes as to what my dates are. Because you know me, I'll be talking and then just totally forget about the dates. So when you open up your kit, this is what it looks like. Isn't this cool? It's so cool. I love these little boxes with the fabrics all inside. And we have some more of these. I know you want to see what's inside here, right? We have some more of these kits coming. Some of them are table runners. Some of them are table toppers. Some of them are quilt kits like this. But they all come in these beautiful boxes. So if you wanted to give your project as a gift, a lot of times they fit right into this box after you're done with your project. So let me show you what the project is. And I know you have to dig way down to the bottom to see what the project is. So this is called Merry Little Christmas by Sandy Gervais. We all love Sandy Gervais projects, but this is the pattern that we used. And the fabric is different than what you see on here. So let me show it to you. It's just as, oh no, I'm lying. It's different. The project is different from what you see on the back, but on the pattern, it is actually the fabric that's in your box. Sorry about that. So this is what your project is going to look like, including your fabric. And I looked at it up. When you look at this project up close, and I'll pull it out of the package because it might be a little shiny with the lights and the camera and all that other good stuff. But you have a Christmas tree on this side, and then you have little panel pieces inside of stars. The stars are flying geese, and I looked at this tree and I went, what was she thinking? All of these little trees, the little rows of the trees are little squares sewn together. So this, if you look at it really closely, and we'll show it to you really closely, you would have to try to line up all of the words because the tree is made, and it's just so cute, out of this word fabric. It is so cute. It says, I can't read it upside down. Of course, it says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. It is really super cute. But you want your trees rows to be straight, and you don't want to be taking squares and sewing all of those squares together in order to make a row of trees. I have devised a way to make it look better, sew together faster, and I think you're going to really like it. So at that point, I said, you know what? I think we need a little class. So we're going to have a class on this, and it's not hard to do, and it's really fun, and it's going to turn out really super cute. A lot cuter than the pattern is, because they're sewing all kinds of little squares of these together all the way along to make that one tree strip. So we're going to talk about that. But this is your tree. Cute, cute, cute. Love it. So then you have your little stars with the panel pieces cut and put into the center. So this is your panel. These are your panel pieces that go into the middle of those little squares. Really, really, really super cute. They are so sweet. And I just love this. And then around that, out of your, to make your half square triangles, you're going to be using these two fabrics. They're the cherries. Look at these little, I think they're probably not cherries. They kind of look like cherries, but they're probably not really cherries. The little cherry looking fabric, just cute, cute, cute. And this fabulous plaid. Look at how beautiful this plaid is. Love it. So that goes around as the star points. And I'm going to show you how to cut that and make perfect flying geese every single time. So part of the class will be how to make perfect flying geese. I know people have problems with that. Then this is the outer border of the project, another cute, super cute plaid, and I'll show you how to cut that out perfectly. And then this is just a background fabric that kind of goes around some of the half square or the flying geese and kind of floats the whole project into the outer plaid border. So it's kind of an inner border and then of just plain fabric, and then your plaid for your outer border. But in order to do this, you're going to have to deviate from the cutting instructions. I know you're freaking out. So this is what we're going to do. When you purchase your kit, you will get the class for free. So what that means is there's actually kind of going to be two classes almost. One is going to be how to cut it out, and two is going to be how to sew it together. So these will be on our YouTube channel, and you will have a private link to get into the YouTube video on how to sew this together. So Where are my notes? See, I told you I'm going to need my dates. So, purchase your kit. This will be on our website under Creating with Karen. And these kits will be 20% off just because we love you and you watched our video. So when you watch the video, you get it for 20% off for 1 week. After that, it'll go to a regular price. And you can still buy it and you can still be part of the class. But get it now, 20% off on our website under Creating with Karen. Friday, October 12th, on our YouTube channel, I will post the instructions on how to cut this out so that you will get perfect flying geese and you will get a perfect tree. So without all of those little squares, all of this, I will show you how to do that. I will tell you what to cut out. We will also include a written PDF on what you need to cut and how you need to cut it. Okay? Then the following Friday, October 23rd, what I want to do is give you plenty of time to buy your kit, plenty of time for us to ship to you, because who knows what the mail is going to do, but we want plenty of time to ship it to you, to get it, all those other things, and so that you can get your kit, touch it, feel it, love it. And then on October 16th, I will show you how to cut out your kit. That will give you a week to do any cutting. You can email me. You can comment under the YouTube video and ask questions. Any questions that you have, you can call me, email me, stop into the store. Any questions that you have, you will have a week to get your project cut out. Then at 10 a.m. on Friday, October 23rd, we will post the video on how to sew it all together. And I'll be sure to be online on October 23rd. And as you're sewing, and if you have any questions, I can answer any questions. You can comment on the YouTube video. I will answer your questions. You can call me. You can email me. All of that information will be connected to the YouTube video so that you can work on your project on that day and make it perfect. Can't join us specifically on those 2 days? That's okay. Those YouTube videos will be up and you can view them and look at them and refer back to them anytime you want. So if you can't be with us on October 16th or on October 23rd, that's okay. They're going to be there for you to view for eternity, I guess. So if a year from now you finally get around to doing your project, you can check out the YouTube video and it will show you what to do. But I hope that you can join us. These fabrics are so cute. Now, I'm so glad I showed it to you because now I can get started and start working on my YouTube video for you. I just love this. These little berries are so, so, so cute. Christmas berries, that's what we're going to call them. I don't know what they call them. They probably have a name. And these plaids are just as bright and happy as can be. So here's the one side of the panel. Let me kind of flip it over. Look at this little tree. I got to show you this little tree with the peppermint candies. So, so cute. So I can't wait to cut these up. I'll show you how to cut these and fussy cut these. They are perfect each and every time because that's the scariest part. Because if you cut that panel wrong, then you're like, oh my God, now what am I going to do? So we will show you how to do this and so that you have a perfect project. And they don't use the wording that says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. I will put together a bonus project using these strips out of here because we don't want to waste a piece of this. It is just so cute. I will put together a bonus project for anyone who buys the kit and joins the class. So I hope you join us. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to check out the Creating with Karen section of the website because you will get 20% off not only this kit, but the other kits, the pillowcase kits, and the kits for the little pillow. And that will run for a week from today. So please join us again. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at the store soon. Bye.